Hello guys, this is your man Mike the Traveler, and today I will say welcome to my blog. We are still in the most luxurious country in the world, Dubai. Dubai, everything you do, you buy. We are concentrating on accommodation, rent here. And there are different types of rent in Dubai. We have the luxury ones that is being shown on television and what we call partition, which is for migrants. This is partition, and there is another one that we call best space. Best space is mostly for company accommodations and people who earn very low salary. Without wasting my time, I would like to focus on what I came here to do, to talk about the partition. Follow me, stay. Let's have a tour in a Dubai partition accommodation. Thank you very much. Stay. Let's go. So the location of our video is Satwa, and that is the Satwa bus station. The next thing is to take a tour of the neighborhood to show the places, the streets that is not being shown on television. The street of Satwa, a suburb of Dubai. From the first street to the second street, I would like to show you some of the horrible or terrible houses that comes across. And I want to show you these things that you won't believe that is located in the most expensive or luxurious city in the world. Now check out the buildings. Out here, this is the back side of the building. Check the AC, making a 360 camera roll for you to see whatever is going on here. Yes, it's not getting easy yet. Yes, let it focus on whatever is going on there. Keep on moving. It's crazy, right? I know. You won't believe it. And this is so close to the ones that you see in the magazines. Few distance, you move from grass to grass. Yes. There's a few distance from here to whichever buildings that is being showed on television for you to see. You don't know what you're called, you say what you're called. is the neighborhood for the migrants, that is the low salary people, or let's say standard salary workers. This is their neighborhood, as you can see. This is the street. So guys, this is the time that we enter the building for you to see what is inside the building, the amount of rooms in one building, the amount of people in the building. Don't go yet, it's about to get crazy. I'm telling you, you won't believe what you are going to see. Let's go. Eddie, me escutan. So this is it. As you can see, both left and right, that is the rooms. And this is the washroom. There is another one here, and there is another one also here, and that is the washing machine. Okay, let's go. We are heading to that people, after cooking, they store their food. This is the kitchen. I can stand here and have a full view of the kitchen. And these are lockers that people put their utensils in. It's all over the place. Plus, there is another fridge here. Let's go, I'll show you more rooms. Here also there is other rooms. How many rooms do you think we have here? You know, it's also a story building, and I'm about to take you upstairs so you can see the number of rooms in one villa. Something for yourself. There is another kitchen here. same style. Let's go. Washroom. Yeah. Another washroom. There's a couple of washrooms here. There are rooms all over. You can inside. Rooms. This is that. Where we stay. Yes. So many rooms, huh? Hey, Charlie, walk out there. So many rooms. After this, I'm going to enter uncountable rooms. Just guess how many rooms here. This is another washroom. I think some people are using it, so there are so many rooms. Big man. Now look at this. Look at the size of the room. This is it. So you can see this is like the sitting room. And this is the bedroom. Not easy, right? So signing off in this video. I would like to complete by saying there's different types of accommodation in this particular country. We have the luxury ones, the apartments and all those ones that is being shown with television. And we have this one. After this one, there is the west, the partition. No, after partition there is best space, and the best space there is capsule. There's one that we call capsule. It's also more or less like the best space, but that one is one room for everybody. Plus we have the best space, and the best space The best space, like the one I showed in the beginning of my video, is well decorated, is nice. There is one that is very very dirty, that is mostly for companies. If you go to most companies, that's what they provide for their staff. I will one day go to one accommodation, and if I have access, I will have that video for you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and help me grow.